How to make money with Snapchat Spotlight. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can make money with Snapchat Spotlight in the easiest way. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're first of all going to go to Snapchat. Now once we're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Spotlight. Now this is obviously my Spotlight, okay, you get the whole point of it, but Spotlight is just like Reels or it's like TikTok. You keep scrolling down and you go get more stuff to watch, you get more stuff to follow, etc. Now, how do you make money off of it? Basically, all you're going to need to do is just have a proper account to add videos on Spotlight. Like now, as you can see, you can upload any video onto Spotlight. So just go ahead and upload videos on Spotlight, and once you start getting views, you can actually monetize yourself through the settings. So you're going to come here, you're going to go through settings, you're going to scroll down where it says I need help. Okay, or you can even report a problem, but I'm going to go with I need help. Once you do that, it brings you to support. Once it comes to support, you're going to contact the people at Snapchat support to monetize your Spotlight if you have enough views and enough followers, and that should do it for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.